we obviously live in very interesting times. And even more so now because here we have Joe Biden, former vice president and, of course, Democrat, who is apparently encouraging Mitt Romney to run for Senate. What is going on there?
Well, I think we have to put an asterisk. It depends on what state. Certainly, Mitt Romney, who is the governor of Massachusetts, with the Democratic you don't want to go have him run in Massachusetts, where you could elect a Democrat. I think the intent is if he runs in Utah, where Mitt Romney has a home and has connections and is well known there, to replace Orrin Hatch. If indeed Orrin Hatch decides not to run for an 8th term, then Biden is saying Mitt Romney would be an addition to the Senate. And in the context of these times, someone with his background, his experience, to put in a more or less moderate Republican could make sense to Joe Biden. But step one is Joe Biden talking about Utah, which is going to elect a Republican. That's what I think Joe Biden is talking about. But because if he's talking about running in Massachusetts, then that won't be great for Democrats necessarily. I think he's talking about Utah. And so, that's a great cross-aisle move for Biden. Both of them look like senior statesmen now.